This is what collecting thousands of dollars worth of craft supplies looks like, and we're opening bin number 34. Already, I see a ton of metal dies and some markers. Oh my goodness. My name is Stephanie. I own a secondhand art and craft supply shop called Bottom of the Bin. We're located in Tampa Bay, Florida, and customers trade in supplies that they no longer want to get store credit. Now, we recently bought an 80-year-old lady's entire collection of craft supplies, and there's over 50 of these bins. It is just so incredible to see and so meticulously organized. And this one is full of metal dies, which if you don't know what these are, I did do a video not too far back showing and explaining what they do, but the short version is they cut shapes out of paper. It is wonderful, especially for card makers, junk journalers, scrapbookers, and there's so many beautiful, intricate dies. These ones are frames in different sizes. And I have just been blown away by this collection. You guys have no idea. I am just amazed at how many they are, how well they're organized, the quality of them. I mean, these are some brands from years that you can't even find anymore. And as a card maker myself, it's been an absolute joy to go through. Look at this really beautiful one from Spellbinders. Gosh, each of these cases is just full of so many different ones. I don't even know how I'm going to show them all. But my goodness, wow, 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 wow. I mean, if a die set existed, I'm pretty sure she bought it. And I love that she marked China on that one so I can know which ones are the cheapies and which ones are the nice ones. So far, I've barely seen any of the cheap brands. I mean, most of these have been Sizzix, Spellbinders, all sorts of different brands, ones I've never even heard of, and they cost a pretty penny. Just anything you can think of. If you have an idea for a background or a shape or a style, you're gonna find it in here. Now, my favorites are the little stamp sets. So some of these have coordinating stamps to them, especially like the little animals, and those are the ones that I absolutely live for. I have some of these border ones and full size ones, but I personally don't use them as much. If you do, let me know what you use them for. Ooh, what's this? That's not a die. Beauty Treats Razzle Dazzle. I know some people use makeup for coloring things when you're making, I don't know, crafts and art. So really fun, sparkly, glittery. And speaking of fun colors, before we get to the rest of those dies and some more dies, I thought those were stamps. Let's check out this marker set. Ooh, what's in here? These are alcohol markers, and she swatched them. And let's see what brands we got. Artist Loft, Blick. Wow, I know the Blick ones probably cost quite a bit. I'll have to look them up and see what they go for. And these, oh wow, they're Illustrator markers. There is some Copic or Copic. I never know how to say that. We'll have to look up what those go for. And I try to test the ones from this collection. Otherwise, we just have a testing station where people can test all of our markers and paints and paper punches and stamps and inks. So they can make sure they like them before they go home, make sure they work. But I will see what I can do about testing some of these if I sell them in a bundle. I'm not quite sure yet. Creative Expert. All right, I know those are going to go very fast. Very, very fast. We sold almost all the other ones, I think, last time. Oh, there is a stamp in here. It's a cute little skeleton key. I love skeleton keys. I used to have a nice collection. And there is an embossing folder. So these just emboss the different shapes into sheets of paper. Some stickers. Little Dollar Tree stickers. There's some random dies and some cardstock. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Oh, happy birthday wishes. Ooh, oh my gosh, look how many are in here. Okay, these might be a little too small to just kind of go through every single one. But there's a ton of different sentiments in here, from birthday to hello friend, hello sunshine, with love, sweet and fresh, miss you. It looks like every sentiment you can think of is in here. Oh yeah, there is an example of what they do. So they cut out the shapes out of paper. So those ones were already cut out. Sweet and fresh. More birthday. I love birthday cards. They're probably one of my favorite to make. Welcome. Thanks. Thank you. Make a wish. And forever. There's some more that have been cut out already. can't believe how many there are. I mean, any occasion, any font, any script, any type, anything you want. Maybe even any language. I don't know. They're all in here. I'm afraid of being here forever if I go through all of them. So let's move on to the next one. Oh my goodness. So here's a glimpse as to how she had them organized. These ones are in CD cases, and these holders just kind of slide out, which makes it really easy. And they're all labeled, so she knew exactly what she had. Now, this is what I meant when I said it was so freaking meticulous. Everything was like this. You can see how much love and joy went into not only using, but collecting these and organizing them and being able to see what she had. And now they're going to be shared with so many people, and they're going to continue to spread love and joy to everybody. All right, let's start digging. I mean, I'm absolutely amazed at how many there are. Oh my gosh, I love and need that one for sure. Ooh, look at these cute little cityscapes, little winter scenes. Oh my gosh, I love the curved ones. Those are really fun to make cards with. We have another little cityscape here. Oh, and this one's like build your own house. Ah, I love all of them. There's some scrolls, some birdies, bird cages. Look at the little gold bird cage there, right there in the corner. How cute. That's like one of the ones I tested when we made our video showing how to use these. Oh my gosh, this one has little snails and a lizard, like a little chameleon or something. We've got some Christmas ones, Christmas ornaments, of course, why wouldn't we? Lights, Christmas lights. Very cute. Ooh, this one has the stamps with it as well. It says Merry Christmas. Some holly berries. Ooh, really cute. I'm gonna cause a little avalanche here. Some branches. I'm gonna move these. Scalloped octagons. Classic diamonds. Large octagons. All sorts of shapes. Ooh, that one's really pretty as well. Oh my gosh, the gates. The gates are absolutely gorgeous. Round ones. Ironwork motifs. Ooh, there's some more of the curved ones. That one looks like it made little boxes. Oh my gosh, the little windows and stars and trees. I love that one. We've got some more Christmas themed ones. A beautiful heart and some, ooh, circle hearts. Oh my gosh, speaking of lock and key, I need those. There's locks and hearts and keys, and I literally have a skeleton key and antique lock like that tattooed on me. I love it so much. Ooh, there's some more curved ones. Ton of different frames. These ones are spellbinders. Oval frames. Oh, that one's really cute. Little squares within squares. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Very pretty. Oh, that one's got like a little bunny, and I think that's maybe an Easter egg. Very cute. Man, this whole thing just keeps getting better and better. I swear, every time we open a bin, I'm like, this is my favorite bin, but this is definitely one of my favorites, and there's still a ton more to go because that was bin 34. We've got over 50, so make sure to follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next unbinning. Bye!